Magic in Elarion is not chaos. It is architecture. It has fields. It has structure. It has consequences. And perhaps most importantly, it disappeared. For nearly a millennium, the world adapted without it. Now it has returned. And the return is destabilizing everything. This is the Magic Systems of Elarion. Magic as infrastructure. In many fantasy settings, magic exists as flavor or spectacle. In Elarion, magic is infrastructure. It affects warfare, industry, medicine, trade, religion, political power. Magic operates through defined fields, structured domains of influence. It interacts with the planes of existence. It responds differently to different races. It shapes economies. And when it vanished during the magic collapse, entire systems broke. Magic is not a tool in this world. It is part of the operating system. The magic collapse. For nearly 800 to 1,000 years, magic faded. Spells failed. Institutions collapsed. Magical knowledge became relic. Long-lived races experienced it differently than short-lived ones. Some endured the absence. Others rebuilt without it. Human kingdoms industrialized. Magic guilds disappeared or went underground. Metal and mechanical innovation surged. When magic returned, it did not return quietly. It returned in abundance, and not everyone was ready. The fields of magic. Magic in Elarion is divided into fields. These fields are not aesthetic categories. They are structural domains. They include elemental alignments, shadow mechanics, planar interactions, convergence forces, and counterbalance systems. Magic is layered. The material plane interacts with the astral. The veil separates and connects. The shadow plane behaves differently depending on dimension. Magic in Elarion behaves according to cosmological architecture. This is not soft magic. This is structured metaphysics. Dragon Convergence. The most destabilizing development in the current era is not the return of magic. It is the Dragon Convergence. Dragons represent a new apex field, a convergence of forces. Draconic magic is not simply elemental. It reshapes balance. Some elves see dragons as abominations. Others see them as inevitable. Kingdoms are unprepared for what dragon-line magic does to political stability. Convergence is not just power escalation. It is structural shift. Shadow and realm mechanics. Shadow magic in Elarion is not inherently evil. It is neutral, but its behavior changes across planes. Shadow walkers manipulate shadow differently. Planar boundaries matter. The veil acts as an intermediary layer between realities. Magic is not just spellcasting. It is sapial logic. Understanding the planes is essential to understanding how magic flows and where it fractures. Magical metals and material influence. Magic does not exist only in spellcraft. It exists in matter. Magical metals alter weapon durability, enchantment capacity, ritual stability, and economic power. Certain civilizations rely on magical metals instead of raw arcane manipulation. Markets formed around these materials. Stock exchanges emerged. Trade alliances shifted. Magic shaped industries. Industry shapes politics. Regulation and instability. After the magic collapse, kingdoms learned something important. Unregulated magic destabilizes civilization. Registered magic authorities formed. Arcane use became monitored. Some kingdoms centralized magical education. Regulation carries risk. Over-control creates underground markets. Under-control creates arcane chaos. Magic in Elarion is currently abundant, and abundance is dangerous. Why this pillar matters. If you want to understand why dragons are feared, not as apex giant creatures, but for the magic that they bring, and why kingdoms regulate casters, why long-lived races remain cautious, why magical metal markets influence wars, why Planar mechanics matter politically, you study magic. It is the physics of the world, and physics determines outcome. What's coming? Under this pillar, we'll break down the fields of magic, convergence theory and the rise of dragons, the magic collapse, shadow mechanics, magical metals and economic power, Planar architecture. This is the Magic Systems of Elarion.